So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 fucking ambulances. Oh, look at this guy. Look at this guy. We need a mental hospital. We got this thing here, right in the middle of the door. Right in the middle of the door. Come on, let's go out, Daisy. Come on, Daisy. Look at Daisy here. So we got cops here. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a fucktard trying to say he's gonna grab my phone already. You know, what the fuck's wrong with these fucktards? Here I am, out at 11 o'clock, wants to steal my cell phone, and there's fucking ambulances everywhere. We don't know what the fuck happened. A fucking tent went down. A fucking tent went down. That's what happened. Oh my God. Oh my God. So we got 1 ambulance, we got a couple of police here. A tent got burnt down. Got that blocked off. And I'm gonna put my cell phone down because these fuckers are fucking rude. Oh, that stinks. Oh, fuck. You're probably gonna die first. Oh, shut up, you fucking brain damaged pieces of shit. Nobody wants to hear you. Everybody in the world hates you. Nobody wants you in the neighborhood. You're losers. Get a fucking job, you fucking freaks. Shut up. You give everybody a headache.